Oh, let's go. Young Groms, I told you guys I have some crazy plans and some cool trips coming up, and what I have here is gonna help me on them. So this is a Gilsonsnow snowboard. I haven't opened it up yet. Nick Gilson and the team hooked me up with a super sick brand new snowboard. I'm so pumped. You guys know I've been kind of getting back into snowboarding. I'm nowhere near like a pro snowboarder, but I'm stoked. I just love it. I'm like passionate about it now, and I want to like snowboard as much as I can. So without further ado, let's open this thing up. Yeah, so like Nick totally made the game decision of like what board I get. I had no input. I was just like, hey, I'm doing some crazy trips. I'd love to snowboard on them. Love to be repping your brand. And like, I don't know what color. I had no say in this. This arrived yesterday and I was like, wow, I cannot wait to open this thing up and like see even what it is. Cause like snowboards can like have some pretty crazy things on it. So I'm like, I don't even know what we're gonna see. Like, I hope it's a really cool design or something wild. All right. Oh, let's go. I was hoping for like some nature kind of design. I think that's what we got. All right, here we go. Oh, this is sick. This is what I was hoping for. This is so cool.
Wow.
This is sick. So this is one of the all mountain type of boards he was saying, which is perfect for what I'm doing. I'm gonna be like going in some crazy places. But yeah, this is cool. Like we got like some type of wolf, some crazy like Yukon Territory, Northern Canada, like Native American, I feel like design going. Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, this is nice. This is really cool. This really reminds me of like Northern Canada, like Greenland, kind of like crazy, just like high latitude Canada. Like underneath the Northern Lights or something wild, like those crazy sunsets. Really cool. I'm so pumped on this thing. Let's go. Check out Gilsonsnow. They're a new company. And yeah, I just happened to meet Nick in the water, surfing Long Beach. It's got this really cool like rail on it.